Hello, we are testing the power suction of our super transfer pump. It is with its two 6-foot hoses. So we attached the inlet hose. It's around 5 or 6 feet from the floor all the way up. We want to try to test and see if our super transfer pump can lift 6 feet and then take it up 6 feet more. It's around 6 or so. Right now we're sitting at 9 feet. The line is empty. Using an easy siphon clip to hold it in place, and I'm gonna turn it on. So as you can see, the super transfer pump can prime 6 feet up and produce good results at that height. I'm going to turn it off so you can see that was our stream. I'm going to turn it back on, and there it is.